Hey guys, quick unboxing of the Cygnett magnetic wireless power bank 10K. Just recently got this, so let's just have a quick look. Let's have a quick look and see what we get. So this is our power bank itself. It's got magnets in it, so I'll be able to stick that on the back of my phone. There we go. So it's got a USB-C port to charge it. We have a button to turn it on. Comes with 79%. Can't really show it working because I'm currently recording on my phone. So I'll have to test that later. What else do we get in the box? Okay, so we get a charging cable. Just a basic USB-C to USB-C. Very short, but that's all right. And we have our warranty card, little user manual. We've got safe practices for using a power bank. So you can pause that and read that if you would like. Oh, there's more on the back. So that's nice that they include that. Keep you aware. So let's get rid of all this. So we've got the magnets to stick on the back of our phone. We have our button, USB-C. Feels quite robust. I think the top part's metal, the back will be plastic because of the wireless charging. And yeah, we get a nice little display with our percentage. So that looks quite nice compared to the conventional 4 LEDs. So yeah, stay tuned for the first impressions and then maybe an in-depth video later on. Until then, you have a nice one.